Hi everybody, take a look at this question. So this question says, given a number, print if it is a positive, a negative or a zero. Okay, so let's first take an input. Say number is equal to float of input. I'm choosing float because what if we get an input like 18.14 or something like that. So you can also choose int, but in case of int, you'll have to give numbers like this or something like that. Okay. Okay. Then what's the next step? It's to check if it's greater, lesser, or zero, or something like that. So logic is going to be like this. If a number is greater than 0, then print, let's put it a fancy way. So number comma is positive. Okay. Then else if number is lesser than 0, then say print number and say is negative. Okay, one more case. If number is equal to 0, if number is equal to 0, then print number is a 0. Okay. Now we are sure that we'll get a number input, and hence this code will work. Suppose someone gives an input which is not a number, then we can also say else print, which is number, which is going to be the input, is not a number. Okay, this case will anyway not work because suppose if I don't give a number here in the input, and if I type something like test, okay, now if I run it, it'll throw me an error because it cannot be converted to a number. So let's just test it. Let's say 12. Okay, 12 is positive. Now if I say negative 12, negative 12 is negative, right? And then if I say 0, 0 is 0. Okay, this test case will anyway not work. So let's say does not work at all. When will this test case work? If you don't convert number into a float, if you just take it as an input, only then this test case will work. If you just take it as an input, and in your if else statements there, if you convert it into a number or something, and then this test case might be reached. But in this case, in our case, this will not reach the test case. Thank you.